Hey designers! Let's create this logo in Adobe Illustrator. First, use the text tool to write the brand name, Green Aura. Ensure the caps lock is off in the character panel. Choose the preferred font and adjust the size. Next, write G and duplicate for A. Remove fill, add a stroke, increase the stroke weight. Right-click, create outlines. This step allows text amendments. Afterward, the goal is to connect the top and bottom lines of the G. To achieve this, use the Direct Selection tool to relocate the anchor points. You have flexibility in how you move them, as adjustments can be made later with handles and the Smooth tool. The objective is to link these lines. Once connected, use the Smooth tool to refine the curves. Repeat this process for the bottom lines of the G. Use the Direct Selection tool to move anchor points, adjust handles manually, and then refine with the Smooth tool. The aim is to create smooth and well-defined curves. Once completed, we can move on to the next step. Select the letter. Use the Scissors tool to cut the top anchor point. Cut the letter G top by using the Scissors tool. Click on the top anchor point, then repeat the process for the bottom two anchor points. And do the same for the bottom anchor point. After cutting, ungroup it. Now we have two separate curves of G. I am moving them for your better understanding. Press Ctrl Z to undo and return to the original position. Select the two lines, navigate to Object, Blend, and Blend options. Set the steps to 5 and align to path. Once done, go to Object, Blend, and select Make. Proceed to group the blended lines. Move the letter A downward, adjust its position, and position the letter G accordingly. Your logo is now complete. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please comment, like, subscribe, and support my channel.